There. Everything's set. I am ready. You can come in now, darling. Your dentist awaits. Ah, there you are. So good to see you. Oh, when I checked my schedule and saw you were coming in, I got so excited. I actually canceled my other appointments, just so I wouldn't have to rush. I want to enjoy every minute of it. How long's it been, dear? 6 months? Of course. Here for your checkup. Well, I'm delighted you're here nonetheless. Please, sit down and let me take a look at you. Yes, yes. You've been looking after yourself, haven't you? Avoiding sugary foods, keeping fit, trim. Your body is positively beautiful. Now open your mouth for me. Ah, those pearly whites, so beautiful. Each one sitting there like a diamond. Oh, I could just kiss them. Actually, do you mind? Ah. Ooh. Am I detecting pleasant breath? Did you take a breath mint just for me? Oh, darling, you shouldn't have. You always go the extra mile. Honestly, I have so many patients come in, mouth smelling like a dog's rear end. Blah, disgusting. But your mouth always smells like the scent of an angel. Why, why I could stare at it for hours, wafting in its fragrant scent. Now, where was I? Your teeth, yes. Hmm, a slight bit of damage to the gums. Probably from the last time. Apologies for that, dear. It's not hurting you? Ah, good. I wouldn't be able to live with myself. Hmm. Other than that, though, they seem to be in perfect condition. Dare I say, they don't even need a cleaning. You've been thorough, I see. Why, it's as if you want to leave as quickly as possible. Yes. I suppose that's it then. You'll leave with your immaculate teeth, pay your bill, and then I won't see you for another 6 months. Other than in my dreams, of course. But that isn't enough, darling. I'm not ready for you to go just yet. It it just isn't fair. The two of us, we're star-crossed lovers, destined to be together. I know it, you know it. You can't just leave because you've done an excellent job looking after yourself. I won't allow it. I can't allow it. Sit back down. We're not done yet. Here, let me restrain you, just in case. Why? Why, in case you change your mind and try to escape, it would be terribly dangerous, especially for what I have in mind. Yes, like I said, your teeth are in perfect condition. And we can't have that, can we? No, no, we can't. Open your mouth again for me, darling. perfect, just like you. Now, since your teeth are immaculate, I'm going to have to damage them. That way I'll get to repair them, and you'll stay here longer. With me. Doesn't that sound nice? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Now, I know this sounds scary, darling, but don't worry. It'll only be for a moment. Don't be such a baby. You know the dentist is good for you. We're just trying to help. It'll just be a moment. I. What am I doing? I don't want to hurt you. This is insane. Oh, I'm so sorry, dear. I was about to make a terrible mistake. I should at least apply a sedative first. Can't have any unnecessary harm now, can we? No. No need to put you through pain. There. Your mouth is gonna feel a bit numb due to how much I used, but it should only be for a short while. And you may taste a bit of blood, but don't worry, it's perfectly normal, and it's only a tiny amount. If you want me to stop, well, I'm sure you won't, but if you want me to, just raise your hand. Oh, you're raising your hand now. That's funny. Very, very funny, dear. I haven't even started. But I'm about to. Don't fight it. Don't struggle. Oop, a bit of blood in my eye. Delightful. Delightful. There. I sawed one of your molars into. It might feel a bit strange, but don't worry. I'm going to fix it right away. Just apply a bit of adhesive. And the replacement. Ah, there. Like it never left. How do you feel, darling? Aw, tears of joy. Yes, you're very glad I fixed your mouth, aren't you? Aren't you? What's that, dear? Oh, you can't speak properly? The sedative in your mouth? It'll be a few hours before it's back to normal, dear. A few hours. No doubt you were thanking me. It's perfectly all right, dear. I'm just doing my job. And I'm not done yet. Your teeth still need cleaning, especially with all that blood and spittle covering them now. And since you're already strapped down and restrained, well, we might as well get it over with, mightn't we? Yes, we should. Just lie on your back for me. Oh, and don't worry, darling. I'm adding all of this to your bill. No need to fret. I'll be properly compensated for my work. Now open wide. Oh, your tongue's waggling. Be careful, dear. I'd hate to cut it. I'm gonna place my thumb on your tongue. There. Did you know the muscles in the tongue are some of the strongest muscles in the body? That's right. And yours is a perfectly strong specimen. Why, I can feel it struggling beneath my thumb, trying to escape like it's got a mind of its own. But it won't. It's trapped, darling. At least until we're done. I have to say, darling, while I have your undivided attention, I'm so touched you still come to my clinic. Sometimes, sometimes I get worried I'm not treating you right. I dread every single day awaiting the news you're moving somewhere else. But then you show up, right on schedule, and it makes me so, so happy. Part of me thinks it's my prices. They are absurdly cheap. But I know deep down it's because you enjoy this. You enjoy the care I show for you and your teeth, and the care I show for your well being. It's because you're not just a patient to me, dear. You're family. And I love my family with all my heart. There we go. We're done. I'll remove the restraints. Need help standing? No. My, you're so strong and brave, dearest. Here, gargle this, then spit. Yes, you're free to go. I've been so happy with this checkup, darling. It really made me so happy. Oh, yes, I nearly forgot. Your paperwork. Sign here, please, just to show you're satisfied with the day's events. Thank you. How does your mouth feel now? Better? You're not just saying that so you can go, are you? I see. Well, if there are any more problems with your teeth, darling, please drop by. Even if there isn't, I'm always happy to see you. Always. Don't be a stranger. I'd hate to think you're thinking of leaving me. Hey there, everyone. It's Prince Kairo, and this ASMR has come to a close. Now it's time for me to thank all of my lovely patrons: Limelight Soda, Mermaid, Viscit, Vengeance Blood Rose, Zippy Pop 219, Kaylee, Vicky, Lynn Whitting, Shadowcat, Pluto Baker, Kimmy Clancy, Washu72, Nova Parker, Mad Hatter, Raven Still, Jude, Willa, Mushroom Queen, Doichi, Lai, Kokoshibo, Kim Taehyun, Depressed Pancakes, Alex Style, Elvin Semi, Sarah, Blank Papaya, Caitlin, M Little Llama, Cozy Sloth, and of course a very, very special thank you to my special little pets, Unknown Goth and Ghost. Thank you all so much for your support. And if you want to have your name shouted out at the end of my videos, consider subscribing to my Patreon. We have plenty of benefits, including early access. Go ahead and check it out, see if there's something that catches your eye. I've been Prince Kairo, and remember that I love you all.